In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your entire life, Ultimate Mom Brain Notion Planner. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the template in Notion, add it to your workspace, and customize it so it works for your real life. Start by opening Notion. Look to the top left of your screen for the small drop-down arrow next to your workspace name. Click that arrow to expand the main menu and make sure the sidebar options are visible. This is where Notion keeps quick links to pages, settings, and templates, and it's the fastest way to get to what we need. From that menu, click Templates. This opens Notion's template area, which is a library of pre-built pages and systems you can plug right into your workspace. If your view opens in a panel, great. If it opens in a browser tab, that's fine too. The process is the same. In the template area, click Templates again to go to the full marketplace. The marketplace gives you richer previews, reviews, and categories so you can be sure you're grabbing the right setup. Use the search bar at the top and type Mom Brain. You don't need perfect capitalization. Just the words are enough. Press enter, then glance through the results. You're looking for the Mom Brain Planner designed to centralize tasks, calendars, routines, and family logistics. Open the result to see its details page. Skim the description and screenshots so you understand what's included and how the pages are organized. This quick check helps you avoid importing the wrong template. When you're ready, click Add. In some views, this button might say, Use this template or Get Template. They all do the same thing. If you have multiple workspaces, choose the one you want and give Notion a moment to create the pages. You'll see the new planner appear in your sidebar as a main page with several sub-pages. Now edit the template so it reflects your life. Start by renaming the main page with a title you'll recognize. Open each database, like tasks, calendar, meals, or routines, and adjust properties to match your style. For example, rename status options, add a priority field, or switch a date to include time. Create views you'll actually use. A board grouped by status for a quick snapshot, and a calendar for upcoming events. Replace sample items with your own or duplicate them to learn the flow. If you see pages you won't use, archive or hide them to keep things simple. Add reminders to time-sensitive tasks and personalize covers and icons to make the planner feel inviting. Keep it lightweight at first and expand as you build momentum. That's it. Your Mom Brain Planner is ready to keep everything in one calm, clear place.